Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 13.3. Write the following number in expanded form. Expanded form means we will expand this value. That first part is 279404 is equal to, that will be right 2 into 10. 2 after 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there, so we will write the 4. Plus that is 7 into 10. After 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 digit, so that is 4 digit. Here will be 5 digit. After 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. And then plus that 9 into 10, that will be 3 digit. Plus 4 into 10 power 2, plus that is 0 into 10 power 1, plus 4 into 10 power 0. Like this is the expanded form. And then similarly second part 300619 so that is 3 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 6. And then 0 into 10 power 5 plus 0 into 10 power 4 plus 6 into 10 power 3 plus next is 1 6 yes 1 into 10 power 2. Next is 9 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0, like this. And then see the last one, 2 part done by yourself. 20068 is equal to 2 multiply 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 0 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2 plus 6 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0 that is 0. Now second question, find the number from each of the following expanded form. Now we will find the number, so that this is also easy, no problem is there. 8 into 10 power 4 plus 6 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2 plus 4 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power 0. So this one is a very easy, 86045 86045. We will write the only that values. And then B part also see that 4 into 10 power 5 plus 5 into 10 power 3 plus 3 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 0. So that will be similar 4, and then you are looking 5 and then 3 power is there. We are not looking at the 4 power. So on that place we will write the 0, and then 5, 3, and then 1th place is also not given, and then 2. C part 3 into 10 power 4 plus 7 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 0. So that 3 third power is not given, so that is 0, and then 7 and 1 power is also not there, so that will be 0. 5. D part 9 into 10 power 5 plus 2 into 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1. So here 9, 3 power is not given, 0. 4 power is also not given, that will be also 0. And then 2, 3 and 0 power is also not there, so that will be 0. Express the following number in standard form. Standard form, what is the standard form? This thing you will use in physics, science, especially in physics. That's the first part. 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So in standard form, or you can write like this directly also, like this. Standard form is, before the decimal we will write the only one natural number, that is a 5. Before decimal, that is 0 0 also write, no need to write because no natural number is there, and then multiply 10. And then after 5, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will write the power 7. Similarly this one also do. And then third part, see that. Third part, 3 1 8 6 5 0 0 0 0 is equal to, I have already explained, before that decimal one natural number must become. So 3 decimal 1 8 6 5 into 10. And then after 3, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here we will be write the 9 power. And then fourth one also, see that. 3 98 78 is equal to, that will be 3 decimal 9 0 8 7 8. We have placed here decimal. So after 3, that 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there, so that will be 5. Fifth part also, see that. 3 9 0 8 7 decimal 8. Already decimal is given here, so this decimal will become here. So 3 decimal 9 0 8 7 8 into 10. And then how many digits this decimal has gone here? 1 2 3 4 digits, so that will be 4. Sixth question, 3 9 0 8 decimal 7 8 is equal to 3 decimal 9 0 8 7 8 into 10 power. See that, how many digits? 1 2 3 digits we have. Back the decimal, that is a 3 power. And then question number 4 you will be see, that is also the same question like a third question. Fourth, A part. So that distance between Earth and Moon is 3 8 4 000 000 meter. So that will be in standard form. In standard form is equal to, that will be 3 decimal 84 into 10. We have put the decimal just after 3, so that how many decimal are there? 3 3 6 to 8. So that will be 8 meter. Like this we will be right. See B part, that speed of light in vacuum is that 1 meter per second. So that will in standard form is equal to, that will be 3 into 10 power. 10 power, how many digit will become here? Oh, power 336 to 8. 8 meter per second. Meter per second. C part, diameter of earth is, that is 1 crore 27 lakh 56,000 meter. So that in standard form, that will be 1 decimal 2756 multiply 10, and then after 3 4 5 6 7 power will become, and then meter. D part, diameter of a sun is that one in meter, so in standard form that will be only 1.4 into 10 power. How many power will become here? 3 3 6 3 9 meter. That will be 9 meter. 3 3 6 3 9 meter. In a galaxy there are on an average star, so that will be E part in standard form is equal to, that will be 1 multiply 10 power. How many are there? 3 3 6 3 9 10 11. The number of stars are this one, stars. F part, that the universe is estimated to be year old, so that will be in standard form is equal to 1 decimal 2 into 10, and then power we will count that 3 3 6 3 9 and 1 10 years. F. G part in standard form is equal to, G part, the distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be that 1 meter, so 3 into 10 power, how many zeros will become? 3 3 6 3 9 3 12 3 15 3 18 19 20 meter. H part, in standard form or scientific notation also, scientific form also we can say that H part, molecules are contained a drop of water weight 1.8 gram, so that will be 6 decimal 0 2 3 into 10 power, how many? That will be 3 3 6 3 9 3 12 3 15 3 18 3 21 22 molecules are there. The earth has cubic kilometer of sea water, so that in standard form, HI part in standard form is equal to, that will be 1 decimal 353 into 1 2 3 3 3 are 9 10 power 9. H I J part, J part in standard form is equal to, that will be the population of India of that one, so that 1 decimal 027 into 10 power, how many there? 3 3 9 3 3 6 3 9 power. This is the standard form. These things you will be used in your science, especially in physics. Okay.